Good
Morning, sir.
morning. Last class I can explain to the Wavy-Curve method. In Wavy-Curve method, by observation this one. In any quadratic or inequalities involving three types of brackets already I told. What are the three types of brackets? One is called a curlier brackets, only that value. Second one is called a open brackets. Third one is called a closed brackets. Do you understand last class what I told?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In this one, in inequalities, some functions will be there. How to do that function? Here listen. A function in the form of here a by b. Therefore, a divide b greater than 0. What is the a by b greater than 0? By observation, in such of cases, numerator is there, denominator is there. When inequalities, don't do that cross multiplication. In inequalities, don't do that cross multiplication. That implies, observe this one, multiply denominator with numerator and denominator. Multiply denominator with numerator and denominator. Therefore, here AB whole divide b square, it's greater than 0. Therefore, by observation this one, AB by b square greater than 0. B square mean perfect square. Perfect square always positive. Perfect square always positive. Total should be positive. This total is the positive, mean b square always positive. That implies AB must be greater than 0. AB must be greater than 0. Therefore, any ratio is the positive, mean numerator, denominator will be there. Numerator and denominator. Both total ratio positive, mean the product of both values must be greater than 0. Same like this one. Here, a by b less than 0. Anyone? A by b less than 0.
AB less than 0.
Very good. That is equal to AB less than 0. Therefore, observe this one. A into b less than 0. Therefore, ratio less than 0 mean product of numerator and denominator also less than 0. Same thing. Here is equal to a by b greater than or equal to 0. A by b greater than or equal to 0. Listen, what is the meaning of this one? Here a into b by b square is the greater than or equal to 0. Therefore, by observation of this one, total ratio should be positive. B square always positive. In this one, listen one. That is, here is equal to AB value, it's greater than or equal to 0, but B not equal to 0. Because of B is equal to 0, the total value not defined, because anything by 0 undefined. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Here, similarly, a by b less than or equal to 0 implies, anyone, how to written this inequality?
AB less than or equal to 0, B not equal to 0.
Very good. A b less than or equal to 0, comma b not equal to 0. This is the when ratio will be there. Don't do that cross multiplication. What is the generally followed that method? A by B less greater than 0. That means so many students are doing just greater than cross multiply. That's why A greater than 0. It's always wrong. It's always wrong. When A by B greater than 0 mean what is the condition? AB greater than 0. A by B less than 0 mean AB less than 0. Like this one, this is the chances. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Note down. This is there when ratio must be positive mean numerator and denominator multiplication must be positive. When ratio must be negative mean product of numerator and denominator less than 0. This part is there very important. Note down quick.
Completed, sir.
Everyone completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, here observe this one. Last class I told to the some quadratic equation. For example, x minus 1 into x minus 2 greater than 0. What is the interval? Anyone? X minus 1 into x minus 2 greater than 0. What? Therefore, a number line will be there. That is, observe, minus infinity plus infinity. What are that values? 1 and 2. Positive, negative, positive. Already I told, right hand side end interval always positive. Before remaining, that is the interval alternate sign. Positive, negative, positive will be there. Therefore, it's a greater than. Greater than mean positive sign or negative sign?
Positive sign.
Positive sign. Therefore, minus infinity to 1 and 2 to infinity. But infinity always is open bracket. But it's equal to sign not there. Open bracket union. X belongs to. Therefore, this point already explained in last class, again revised. That's why I can explain. X belongs to minus infinity to 1 union 2 to infinity. Therefore, that interval is there. When inequality given, how to find out that interval? This is the method will be there. After, suppose this extension, what is the extension will be there? When that is equal to x minus 1 into x minus 2 whole square into x minus here is equal to, that is x plus 1 is the greater than 0. It's a given. When any factor power should be even. Any factor power should be even. Power 2, power 4, power 6, power 8, etc. When power should be even will be there. Power should be even. Therefore, observe. What is the 1 square value?
1,
2 square?
4,
3 square?
9
9,
Very good. Minus 1 whole square?
plus 1
Minus 2 whole square?
plus 4
Minus 3 whole square?
plus 9
Plus 9. That's mean whatever value power even is there, that value always positive or not?
positive.
Therefore, here this total product is positive, but here one of the term, that is equal to, one of the term is the positive, one of the term is positive. That's why therefore x minus 1 into x plus 1 also greater than 0. Do you understand this step?
Yes, sir.
Therefore,
Yes, sir.
number line representation. Here observe what are that value. Here minus 1, here plus 1, plus infinity, minus infinity. Therefore, observe this one. Generally, what is the indication? Positive, negative, positive. It's a given that greater than or less than?
Greater than.
Greater than is given positive sign. Where that positive? Actually minus infinity to minus 1. Therefore, minus infinity to minus 1 and 1 to infinity. Open bracket but equal to sign not there. But in this one, listen. But here is there, what is that term is there? Here, what is this term? What is the term?
X minus 2 whole.
X minus 2 whole square. When x is equal to 2, what is that value?
Minus 2.
0
When
sir.
x is equal to 2, what is that value?
0 sir.
0, very good. That is equal to 0. 0 into anything is?
0.
0. 0 greater than 0. Possible or not?
Sir.
Not possible.
Not possible. That's why in indirectly what is the condition? X not equal to 2. Indirectly what is the condition? X not equal to 2. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, x not equal to 2. Not equal to 2 mean minus of that value. What is the meaning is there? Minus of that value. That value can be written that curlier brackets. Therefore, 2 not equal. But 1 to infinity between 2 will be there or not there?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Therefore, x belongs to minus infinity to minus 1. Union of 1 to 2. Union of 2 to infinity. Therefore, it's a 2 not equal. 2 cannot be taken in that interval. But 1 to infinity between 2 will be there. Either representation like this one or like this one. Both are correct only. Do you understand?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? What? Again?
Once repeat, sir.
Once again explain.
Yes, sir.
Here listen. Actually given that x minus 1 into x minus 2 whole square into x plus 1 greater than 0. When any factor power should be even will be there. Power should be even. That means power should be even mean that value always positive. That value always positive because of 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, minus 1 whole square, minus 2 whole square, minus 3 whole square. Whatever taken, always positive. That's why total 3 terms of product is positive. But one term always positive. That's why remaining 2 term product is positive only. But in this one, listen. Here x minus 2 whole square is there. When x is equal to 2 taken, 2 minus 2, 0. 0 into anything is equal to 0. 0 greater than 0. Not possible. That's why x not equal to 2 I can take. Do you understand up to the steps?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You can understand remaining steps?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do it. You must copying this one.
9.
Sir.
Can
Can you please explain
Yes,
about
one,
that
sir.
number line, sir?
number line. Here
Suppose,
listen in first one. x minus 1 into x minus 2 greater than 0. X minus 1 is equal to 0. What is the x value?
1 sir, plus 1,
Yes, sir.
X minus 2 is equal to 0. What is the x value?
plus 2 sir,
That's why I can indication 1 and 2 in number line. Number line mean real number line. Minus infinity to plus infinity. Between what are that roots are there? 1 and 2 indication. Do you understand?
yes sir,
Here there are 3 intervals will be there. This is 1, this is 1. 2 to infinity, 1 to 2, minus infinity to 1. How many intervals are there?
3 intervals,
3 intervals. Here first you can take 2 to infinity. 2 to infinity, in between any real number you can take as you wish. 2 to infinity, between 2 to infinity, between any real number you can take. Suppose 3. What is the 3 minus 1?
2 sir,
2 into, what is the 3 minus 2?
1 sir,
1. What is the 2 multiplication 1 is?
2 sir,
2. Positive or negative?
positive sir,
Positive. Suppose 2 to infinity, between one more number, 4 I can take. What is the 4 minus 1 value?
3 sir,
3. 4 minus 2 value.
2 sir,
What is the 3 multiplication 2 is?
6 sir,
6. Positive or negative?
positive sir,
Positive. Anywhere in between 2 to infinity, whatever number you can take, it's a total function value. Positive or not?
positive sir,
Next, 1 to 2 in between you can take 1.1. 1.1. What is the 1.1 minus 1 is?
0.1 sir,
0.1. Very good. Here 1.1 minus 2 is?
minus 0.9 sir,
Very good. Minus 0.9. What is the positive into negative is?
negative sir,
That's why I can put negative.
okay
Okay?
sir, okay sir,
Understood?
yes sir,
Okay, okay.
thank you
Note
sir,
down. Okay, no problem.
Completed, sir.
Completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This based on, I can explain to the some questions are there. One by one I can explain. Here, write down one by one. See. It's a visible?
yes sir, yes sir,
Okay. 3x by 5x minus 4 greater than or equal to 0. Before I can explain, a by b greater than or equal to 0 mean what I given condition, do you remember?
a by b, ab by b square greater than or equal to 0,
Very good. That's mean here 3x, sorry, that is 3x into 5x minus 4, it's greater than or equal to 0, and 5x minus 4 not equal to 0. Do you understand?
yes sir,
Yes, sir.
Therefore, here 3 bring this side, 0 by 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, here x into 5x minus 4 greater than or equal to 0. You can written number line. What is that roots are? One is called a 0, another one is called 4 by 5, plus infinity, minus infinity. Do you understand?
yes sir,
Therefore, indicated indicated signs are there, positive, negative, positive. But here greater than is there or less than is there?
Greater than.
Greater than is there. Greater than mean positive, minus infinity to 0, 4 by 5 to, what is that value? Infinity will be there. Infinity always open. In this one, less than 5x minus 4 not equal to 0. What is the x not equal to 4 by 5 or not?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Therefore, its equal to sign is there or not there?
There, sir.
There. That's why 0 is open closed bracket, 4 by 5 is open bracket. Why?
Denominator becomes 0.
Denominator become 0 mean function not defined. That's why 4 by 5 open bracket, 0 will be closed bracket. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Note down. Any doubt is there, you can ask. This is the clarified. After some more chapters will be there using that number line indication.
Sir.
Ask.
Sir.
Here listen. Already explained that point. A by B greater than or equal to 0. A by B greater than or equal to 0. What is the meaning? AB greater than or equal to 0. B not equal to 0. I given that first slide. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Same. A will be there, B will be there. A by B greater than or equal to 0 means AB greater than or equal to 0, B not equal to 0. That is, I can return that. This is the one. Therefore, this is the one. 3x into 5x minus 4 greater than or equal to 0 and 5x minus 4 not equal to 0. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, from this one, what is the x not equal to 4 by 5? But here 3 constant. Constant bring this side. 0 by anything is equal to 0 only. That's why x into 5x minus 4 greater than or equal to 0. What are the two roots? What are the two roots?
0, 4 by 5.
X is equal to 0, x is equal to 4 by 5. Indication on number line. Before already explain number line how to indication signs. End interval positive, negative, positive. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
How to return brackets, you can get clarity or not?
Sir, please explain about that bracket, sir.
Bracket, listen. Here equal to sign is there. Using that closed bracket, remember that point. Equal to sign is there, always using closed bracket. Equal to sign not there, using open brackets. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Here listen. Here equal to sign is there or not there?
There, sir.
There. That's why using that closed bracket. But by infinity, never be a closed bracket, because infinity you don't know the value. Okay, clear?
Okay, sir.
Therefore, this is the open brackets I written after. Here listen. That is 0 will be there. Equal to sign is there, can be written closed bracket. Understood?
Okay, sir.
But 4 by 5 not a open bracket, because of its x not equal to 4 by 5.
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Sir, once again say, sir.
Here that is the 4 by 5, but x not equal to 4 by 5 is there.
Yes, sir.
That's why it's not using that closed bracket. Closed bracket mean that the value must be involving. Closed bracket mean that the value involving. That value involving denominator is 0. That value involving denominator is 0. When denominator 0 mean anything by 0, what is the value?
Infinity, sir.
Infinity. That's why not involving 4 by 5. That's why I can take that open bracket. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In actually coming days, function 1 chapter will be there. In that function, domains and ranges will be there. In that one, brackets, number line can be using that continuously. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Not only that chapter, there are almost all so many chapters are you can use that number line representation. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Are you completed?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
1 minute, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, today exam na sir. This type of sums also.
No, not coming. Only quadratic equation, what are models explain and what are points I can explain, those based on, and surds and logarithms what I explain, those type of questions only coming. Okay?
Okay, sir.
This wavy curve method never coming today exam. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And solve this one. Simple one, that is quadratic will be there. Find out that, find interval. X square minus 4x minus 12 greater than or equal to 0. First to find out factors of equation. Do you know that how to find factors?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, do it.
Two and six, sir.
2 and
6.
again check.
-2 and +6.
Minus 2 and plus
Plus
6.
6.
Therefore, this is the factors are here x minus 6 into x plus 2 is greater than or equal to 0. Indicated on number line. Here number line will be there. Therefore, that is one root is called -2, another one is called 6, infinity minus infinity. Therefore, positive, negative, positive will be there. Here given greater than or less than?
Greater than.
Greater than is given. Therefore, it's a greater than mean positive, where that positive minus infinity to minus 2 and 6 to infinity. minus infinity always open, minus infinity always open will be there. And what about minus 2 and 6? What
Open.
about minus 2 and 6? Open or closed?
Close.
Open brackets.
Its equal to sign is there or not there?
There, sir.
There, sir.
It's there. That's why it's a closed bracket. Therefore, x belongs to minus infinity to minus 2 union 6 to infinity. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So,
Sir, once again repeat, sir.
Here x square minus 4x minus 12 greater than or equal to 0. Find out interval. Find out that here factors x minus 6 into x plus 2 greater than or equal to 0. What are the roots? One is called a 6, another one is called a minus 2. Minus 2 and 6, minus infinity plus infinity. What is the numbers? Signs are denoted as. Signs are denoted as. Last interval always positive, alternate signs are icon indication. Therefore, its greater than will be there. Greater than mean positive. Where that positive? Minus infinity to minus 2, 6 to infinity. Minus infinity to minus 2, 6 to infinity. Therefore, like this one. But minus infinity always, plus infinity also, always open brackets. Therefore, but equal to sign is there. Numbers are written closed bracket. Understood?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then here is that this is the one. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. One more. X square minus 3x plus 2 divide x minus 3. Anyone knows that factors of numerator? Factors of numerator. Anyone in this class?
Sir, once
What is the factors of numerator? X square minus 3x plus 2. That means what are roots of that equation?
Less
2
than,
and
sir.
3.
1. Very good. Here 2 and 1. What are that factors are? X minus 1 into x minus 2 whole divide x minus 3 less than or equal to 0. Less than or equal to 0. Already I told a by b less than 0 mean what is the product is there? A into b. X minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3 less than or equal to 0. But x not equal to 3. Why? Why x not equal to 3? Anyone?
Sir, x minus 3
If
not
x is 3,
equal to
denominator
0.
becomes 0.
X is equal to 3 taken, denominator 0. Anything by 0 undefined. That's why x not equal to 3. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, in this one, number line representation, what are the roots will be there? Therefore,
1, 2, 3.
observe 1, here 2, here 3, plus infinity, minus infinity. Indication, indication, number line, signs, last positive, negative,
Minus,
positive,
plus, minus.
negative will be there. Therefore, listen one, that is equal to, here given that one, less than given or greater than given?
Less than.
Less than.
Less than is the given. Therefore, here x belongs to, that is equal to minus infinity to 1 and 2 to 3. Therefore, minus infinity to 1 and 2 to 3. Minus infinity always open. 1 is equal to closed one,
Okay.
because equal to sign will be there. Therefore, union of 2 also closed one. What about 3?
Open.
Open, very good. That is equal to open bracket. Therefore, minus infinity to 1, union 2 to 3. In this question, listen, 1 minute. In this
Yes,
question,
sir.
involving one point is there. Number of positive integers. Number of positive integers contain that interval. Anyone? Number of positive integers. Anyone in this class? You know it or not? Say yes or no.
No.
Here listen. Minus infinity to 1 will be there. Positive integers. Positive integers start with what is that value?
1, sir.
1 will be included in this one or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Next. Next integer 1 after 2 will be there. 2 also
sir.
included or not? But
Yes,
3
sir.
is the not included.
Not
That's
included.
mean what are number of positive integers? That is number of positive integers. Integers is equal to 2. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Sometime question given that, not interval, never asking, is asking that number of positive integers. Number of positive integer. What is the number of negative integers?
Infinity.
Infinity, very good. Number of non-negative integers.
2.
Number of non-negative integers.
3, sir.
Two.
3.
3, because 0 is the non-negative number, non-negative integer. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, so many types of questions can be asking, not only interval, sometime number of positive integer, number of negative integer, number of that non-negative integer, like so many questions can be asking these type of questions. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Note down. If you asking doubt, any doubt is there, unmute and ask. After you can mute yourself.
Yes, sir.
When in your having any doubt will be there, you can unmute yourself and ask. Once you doubt clarified, you can mute yourself. Okay? This question, here actually question given that x square minus 3x plus 2 divide x minus 3. Factors of numerator, because numerator quadratic is given. Therefore, x square minus 3x plus 2. What are factors are? X minus 1 into x minus 2. Denominator is same. Is the less than or equal to 0. When a by b, already explained in starting, when a by b less than or equal to 0. What is the condition? AB less than or equal to 0 and B not equal to 0. This total A, this is the B. That's why product is less than or equal to 0 but denominator not equal to 0. Denominator not equal to 0 mean x not equal to 3. You can understand up to this one. After, what are roots? 1, 2, 3. That 3 roots are indicated on the number line. Here signs are indication, but here less than will be there. Less than mean negative or positive? Less than mean negative, greater than mean positive indication. Here less than will be there. That's why negative. What is the negative? Minus infinity to 1 and 2 to 3. The 2 intervals I can return. But equal sign will be there. Equal sign will be there. That's why closed brackets of numbers. But x not equal to 3. That's why at 3 is open bracket. Do you understand? Completed? Okay. Then write down. X plus 1 by x minus 1 less than or equal to 3. Here x plus 1 by x minus 1 less than or equal to 3. Listen one. Here take LCM. What is the LCM is equal to x minus 1. Cross multiply. X into x is called x square minus x plus 1 less than or equal to 3. When inequality given like this one, right hand side some number, left hand side fraction will be there. Don't do that cross multiplication. Always all term bring one side. What you get? X square minus x plus 1 divide x minus 1 minus 3 less than or equal to 0. LCM. What is the LCM is called? X minus 1. What you get? X square minus x plus 1 minus 3 multiplication this one minus 3x plus 3 less than or equal to 0. You can simplify. What you get? X square minus 4x plus 4 whole divide x minus 1 less than or equal to 0. Here observe this one. This is the question is the given. Take LCM. LCM mean x into this value x square minus x. 1 is the same by x minus 1 less than or equal to 3. When inequalities, left hand side fraction, right hand side some number will be there. Right hand side some number will be there. Don't do that cross multiplication. Don't do that cross multiplication. Always what are doing? Here constant number bring that side. That is 3 bring this side is minus 3 less than or equal to 0. Take LCM once again. You can get that like this one. Do you understand? Therefore, what is x square minus 4x plus 4?
Yes, sir.
What are the roots?
Quadratic equation, sir.
Quadratic equation. What is that roots I am asking?
Sir, 2 and 2.
Therefore, that can be written x minus 2 whole square whole divide. What is that value? X minus 1 less than or equal to 0. Do you understand? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, perfect square is always positive or negative?
Positive, sir.
Total ratio negative mean this is positive mean denominator must be.
Positive.
Denominator must be. Come on, speak out. Positive, either correct or wrong. First you can say to the that answer. Numerator, denominator will be there. Numerator positive, total ratio negative. That's mean denominator what is taken, total will be negative. X minus 1 must be less than 0. And here equal to sign is there or not there?
Yes, sir.
When x is equal to 2 taken, what is the numerator? Zero. Denominator
1.
1. 0 by 1 is what is that value?
0.
0 equal to 0 possible or not? 0 equal to 0?
Possible, sir.
Possible. That's why x also equal to 2. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, x minus 1 less than 0. Here, that is there, 1 will be there. Observe, that is equal to, less than mean left hand side already I told. Here minus infinity plus infinity.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Ask.
Sir, in that step, how we can conclude that x minus 1 is less than 0, sir?
Therefore, numerator perfect square will be there. Perfect square always positive or not?
Yes, sir.
Suppose numerator 4 is there. Denominator what value can be taken? It's less than 0. Numerator 4 is there. Denominator what type of values are taken getting less than 0?
0 only, sir.
0 తీసుకుంటే 4 by 0 what is the value? 4 by 0 0. 4 by 0 is called infinity. Infinity. Okay, some generalizer I can explain. A by B negative. When A is positive, what about B? A by B negative. A is positive. What is the B?
Negative.
Negative or not? Therefore, same thing. A by B will be there. A by B less than 0. That means negative. That means A is positive. What about B? Negative. అదే కదా రాశాను.
Okay, sir.
Okay, clear?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Therefore, x minus 1 less than 0. Why I written that this one? Because of equal to sign is there. When numerator what value taken, you getting that 0. X is equal to 2 taken, you can get 0. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, that's why x is equal to 2. X minus 1 less than 0. What is the root? 1 will be there. Less than mean left hand side. You can take like this one. Therefore, by observation, x belongs to minus infinity to 1. Here, less than mean inequality, that is there, open bracket, open bracket. But minus infinity to 1, in between 2 will be there or not there?
Not there.
Not there. That's why union of 2 also. Okay, clear? Any doubt?
the negative side.
Okay. Generally, more complicated, some complicated will be there. Everyone should be silent.
Yes, sir.
At least either correct or wrong. First you give response.
Yes, sir.
You know that where you can do that mistake. You cannot given that the any response, then you can understand or not
Yes,
understand, whatever you can think. No one knows. Either you also.
Sir,
Ah.
sir, once can you show how to log in into exam and how to log in means how to log in the exam and how to give the exam?
Okay, what is the steps are there? Then your principal sir, after complete that class, send that message. Okay. What are steps how to do that login in examination? I told to the sir. Sir can be given step by step. First username, after password.
He'll send in WhatsApp, sir.
WhatsApp. Don't worry. I am also again informed to the sir. Sir can be given that in WhatsApp for every student. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Don't worry. Okay. Like whatever physics sir is said, same thing. Here what are questions you know it. Those are you can attempt. What are question you don't know, leave that questions. For negative mark also there. Okay, clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
And one more thing, exam pattern, you know that exam pattern?
Yes, sir.
Oh, sir.
25 questions in each subject. 20 questions are single option, that means 4 options are there, 1 option is correct. Remaining 5 questions in each subject, there is no options. Answer is in that numerical way, suppose 10, 20, 22, 33, like value will be coming in that questions. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Sometime points also possible, 30.25, like also. How to representation that one in exam, some instruction also given in that exam paper. Don't worry, once you see it, you can identify. Understood? Completed?
Yes, sir.
And this is there way to you can find out that in wavy curve method, another that 2 questions will be there. I can explain tomorrow class, and some points this inequality based on in quadratic, some 2-3 points will be there. I can explain that points afterwards. Start with that progressions. Do you know that arithmetic progression?
Yes, sir.
Arithmetic progression learn in 10th class or not?
Yes, sir.
That progression arithmetic, after 2 more progressions will be there. I can explain to the coming classes that one. Tomorrow onwards I can start that models. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Prepare once you revise that whatever explain that question last 2 weeks, that models you can once you revise and write the exam properly. Okay, clear?